Hello, welcome to Canary's restaurant. Espérate. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready to order.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready to order.
What would you like?
I did like vegan with vegetable soup. And I did like vegan with spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I see. Would you like a little grated cheese to go with that?
Sure. Also, what kind of meat do you have?
We have grilled breast, real steak, omelette, cutlet. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready to order.
What would you like?
I did like vegan with a vegetable soup. And I did like vegan with spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I see. Would you like a little grated cheese to go with that?
Sure. Also, what kind of meat do you have?
We have grilled breast, real steak, cutlet, and sirloin.
I didn't like a grilled steak, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready to order.
What would you like?
I did like vegan with a vegetable soup. And I did like vegan with spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I see. Would you like a little grated cheese to go with that?
Sure. Also, what kind of meat do you have?
We have grilled bread, real steak, cut, and sirloin.
I did like a grilled steak, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready to order.
What would you like?
I did like vegan with a vegetable soup. And I did like vegan with spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I see. Would you like a little grated cheese to go with that?
Sure. Also, what kind of meat do you have?
We have grilled bread, real steak, cutlet, and sirloin. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready to order.
What would you like?
I did like vegan with a vegetable soup. And I did like vegan with spaghetti with tomato sauce.
I see. Would you like a little grated cheese to go with that?
Sure. Also, what kind of meat do you have?
We have grilled bread, real steak, cutlet, and sirloin.
I did like a